Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best mini candy vending machine on the market, the handy Gourmet Original Polystyrene Triple Candy Machine. If you love snacks and want a fun, convenient way to store and dispense multiple treats, this candy dispenser might just be what you need. Right out of the box, the design of this machine is eye-catching and playful. It comes in a vibrant red color and is made from durable polystyrene plastic, which is both non-toxic and reusable. The size is compact, measuring about 6 by 6 by 12 inches, making it perfect for your kitchen counter, office desk, or even a kid's playroom. It's large enough to hold a generous amount of candy or nuts, but small enough not to take up too much space. One of the coolest features of this candy machine is its triple compartment design. Unlike traditional dispensers that hold only one snack, this one allows you to store and dispense up to 3 different types of candies, nuts, or small snacks simultaneously. So whether you want jelly beans, peanuts, gumballs, or any other small treats, you can keep a variety at your fingertips without needing multiple containers. The dispenser spins 360 degrees on its base, making it incredibly easy to select which snack you want. This rotation feature adds a playful element and also provides quick access to all compartments without having to move the entire machine. When you're ready to fill it up, simply remove the lid on top, no complicated assembly required. Refilling is a breeze, making this machine as user-friendly as it gets. Dispensing snacks is done through a fingertip mechanism that makes grabbing your favorite treat simple and mess-free. Just turn the dial for the compartment you want, and the snacks are released directly into your hand. This mechanism works well for small, dry snacks, so it's great not only for candy but also for nuts, cereal, or even trail mix. Plus, the manual operation means no batteries or electricity are needed. You get instant fun anytime. Cleaning and maintenance have also been thoughtfully designed. The base twists off easily, and the lid lifts off, allowing you to wash each part separately. This is a big plus for keeping the dispenser hygienic, especially if you're switching between different types of snacks or sharing it with others. Overall, the handy Gourmet Original Polystyrene Triple Candy Machine offers a combination of fun, convenience, and practicality. Its vibrant color and rotating action bring a nostalgic feel of classic vending machines, while the 3 compartments give you variety and flexibility. It's an ideal gift for snack lovers, kids, or anyone who enjoys a quirky, functional kitchen accessory. If you're looking for a fun way to enjoy multiple snacks without clutter, this candy vending machine might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights.